and this is another range, another reversal candle. I entered after this breakout and it worked out instantly. I trailed and it went higher till 1:4. Hello traders, welcome to this live trading session. I have recorded these sessions for my own personal use to improve myself and check back what's happening, and I'm publishing it on YouTube so that you all can learn from these trading sessions how a trader thinks, and if something happens other than what trader is planning, what he is going to do. Today I have expected a trending day after first few hours of trading, and I have expected a fall. Trending day means from where the market starts it will move in one direction with a minor pauses without any pullbacks. So I expected today the market is going to fall as a trending day. That's the main concept. That's what I anticipated after a few hours of trading. Then I took the short trade, and after that it bounced, and after bouncing how I managed the trade and how I flipped the trade, and that long trade is also failed. It triggered the SL because in the second of day's low is broken in Nifty, and after that you can see the short covering rally, and then again how I entered that short covering rally. All I am going to discuss and show. You will see my mindset and how I am thinking, how I am changing my view based on the market conditions, and what are all the important points I am seeing in a live market trading session. You can learn from this video a lot than any other course. I have used a simple English in this video. Anyone can understand this video easily with basic English. If you want to see this kind of videos, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Let's get into the video. 9:08 p.m. Nifty is opening 40 points gap up, and Bank Nifty is opening almost 87 points gap up. And yesterday what happened is Dow Jones opened gap down somewhere here, and it made this nice pattern and shot up till CPR, and in a CPR it made a rejection candle and it fell down till this point, and it made a reversal candle here and recovered. And this is a pattern Dow Jones made. And SGX Nifty, it fell almost to 230, can assume 230, and it recovered till 460. It's trading around 420. And yesterday's Nifty closing is 380, 420. It's a 40 points gap up, and that's what we are seeing here, just around 40 points. Let's see what happens today. 9:41 a.m. Nifty is forming an important pattern in a 15 minutes time frame. Here this is an important level. It made a swing, and yesterday also it tested this level. If this candle closes above this level, and I'll take a long entry here, and I'll take short entry here. I'll place the orders 1 point above and below, and whichever the way it moves, I'm going to enter with the 2 lots. That's my plan. And it's making a reversal candle at an important level, and I can go with the tool, double my actual size for long or short, but I'll go with the normal size. We don't know what may happen. It may trigger and fall down again in a 30 minutes time frame or hourly time frame. I'm just seeing it in 15 minutes. If this candle closes here and next candle touches a high and falls and closes below this level, in 1 hour and 30 minutes we can see a breakdown, not in the 15 minutes time frame. So I'll use normal position sizing. As of now it's making a reversal candle, and the SL will be around 30 points for this trade. For long or short trade, SL will be 30 points. Bank Nifty is not moving anywhere. It's just in the range, first 15 minutes range. It's not making any move. It's an inside candle. It is also at the lowest point of the yesterday's range. That is a future. Let's check spot. Spot is in the CPR range. Let's see what happens. 9:45 a.m. I placed the order in system around 18,370 for buy. I placed it at 19:45.05. Okay, let's see what happens. If this breaks, if the next candle breaks a high or a low, or it triggers a buy entry and falls down, or it triggers a sell entry and goes up, we don't know. But I'm thinking this is a reversal candle at an important level, and it may go up. That's what I'm thinking, and there is a possibility to go till here. Let's check in points. It is just 100 points or 120 points. Let's see what happens today. 9:56 a.m. I thought about in the same way, but after touching the high, it may go down, but without touching this high, it broke in this level, and I thought of entering after crossing this low, but what may happen is it may trigger this low and it may close higher. I wanted to see for the 30 minutes candle closing and 1 hour candle closing. What I'm talking is if we go to 30 minutes time frame, I wanted to see 30 minutes closing below this level and breaking this low again, and also in 1 hour candle will also close below that level. If 30 minutes candle or 15 minutes candle closes, then I'll short once the low crosses. Once this 1 hour or 30 minutes are breakdown candles, this current 15 minutes candle low breaks. That is my plan is. Let's see what happens. If it closes somewhere near to this level, next candle may trigger the low and it can close higher. There are a lot of combinations and a lot of traps to trap the new sellers or new buyers. I don't know what will happen, and the volumes are not that much big, so I'm expecting this may be a trap move to trap the sellers. 10:15 a.m. This 15 minutes candle closed as a red, and it closed at the lowest point. And what may happen is in 30 minutes time frame, it may form a reversal candle and it may go higher. That's what I'm expecting. This 30 minutes candle pattern is important. This 30 minutes time frame pattern is important to watch. 9:27 a.m. If we see Nifty in 15 minutes time frame, it's showing that nothing is happening. But if we check it in a 30 minutes time frame, it's making a reversal candle, doji reversal candle. So if the high breaks, I'll take the long position. And what I thought is it may form a continuation pattern also, like making an inside candle, and if the low breaks, I can enter short trade also. But it's not made an inside candle for trend continuation. It's making a reversal candle in 30 minutes time frame. Let's check the spot. Spot is exactly at important level, this level, and it's bouncing from there. So we can go long as soon as high break. High is 18,349. I'll place order at 18,349 or 18,350, and SL will be at the day's low, which is 25 points. 25 points SL. 10:30 a.m. in 30 minutes time frame, Nifty formed a doji candle. This is a reversal sign. Okay, and I have placed my orders above this candle's high. This candle's high is 18,348.7. I have placed order at 18,349. If this high breaks, I'll enter into the position, and my SL, I'll place my SL below this low at 18,325, which will be 24 to 25 points SL. And I'm entering based on 30 minutes time frame, so I'll trail my SL with a 30 minutes time frame candles. That is 30 minutes candle slow. Or if I see any rejection candle at CPR, I'll exit at the CPR or 20 EMA, which is just 50 points from here to here. If the CPR breaks, we can see move till this is swing high. 10:41 a.m. I'm thinking that this is a reversal candle in 30 minutes time frame, but it may be a pause in the trend for a trend continuation. I thought of shorting as soon as the low breaks, but I don't want to short it here. It fell very sharply and the volumes are increasing. I'm guessing today is a trending day on a downside. It's going smoothly, slowly and steadily. I thought of shorting at 380 and this 15 minutes low and this low. I am getting multiple entries, but I am not able to take the trade. I don't know what will happen today. If this is a trending day, I'll be missing on an important day. I have an entry in a 3 minutes time frame somewhere here. I didn't want to short there, and on a 5 minutes time frame, let's go to 5 minutes here in a 5 minutes time frame, and also in 15 minutes time frame I can short it here. And now after this consolidation, I can short it here 4 times: 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and this consolidation breakdown. 4 opportunities, I left it, and it is almost a 70 points move from 3 minutes breakdown. This is a trending day today, and the volumes are increasing on this breakdown. You can see heavy volumes. I place an order at 18,308 for a sell, because in a 5 minutes time frame, this is a breakdown candle, and if the low breaks, it triggers this short entry. So I placed order right below this, and my sell will stay here, and if the move continues, I'll be in this trade, I'll be in this trend as long as the momentum continues. And the 15 minutes candle also closed, so if the low breaks, this trend may continue. One more thing what I'm saying is, if this is a trending day, there will be an inside candle, and I'm guessing and I'm thinking this 50 minutes candle will be an inside candle, so we can enter on breakdown of this candle and we can place SL above this inside candle high. That's what I'm thinking. If I get an inside candle, I'll get in with a double or a triple the quantity of my average size, so that I can take advantage of this trend. Double is fine, but not the triple. My average quantity is 2 lots. I'll go with 4 lots. Even if the SL hits, I can try one more time. If I go with a more than my average quantity, if the SL hits, I cannot trade. I cannot take another trade. 11:02 AM, and I'm thinking this is a trending day. It's I'm breaking the level easily, very easily. So this is a trending day that I'm expecting. But already some points have gone. That's fine. From here 352, I entered around 308. I lost 50 points. That's fine. We can get 250 more points or 200 points. That is fine for a trending day. And what I'm expecting, around 12 or 1, there will be an inside candle. If it's going to break down furthermore, there will be an inside candle. I'll add 2 or 3 lots there, so that I can take full advantage of the second half momentum. If you like the content and efforts that I am putting, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell button so that you will get a notification whenever I post a video. 11:15 AM, and market is clearly falling. Entered somewhere here. I'm looking for one more inside candle so that I can add a few more lots. That's my opinion, and I may reach till this level, this gap level. 11:36 AM, as expected, Nifty formed an inside candle. Not only Nifty, Bank Nifty and Bank Nifty also formed an inside candle, and this much candle I haven't expected. This almost covered 90% or 80% of the previous red candle, and now I'm looking for this break of this candle to continue the trend. If this high breaks, I don't know whether this trend will continue or not, and if this high breaks, this trend is not going to continue. Let's see what happens. I have placed SL at this 30 minutes high, and also I wanted to reverse the trade, so I have added 2 more lots on buy position, and the SL will be here. If the trend is going to continue, it should not hit this 30 minutes high. If this 30 minutes high is hit, then this trend is not going to continue for sure. This may reverse and bounce back and close in this range. I don't know what the market is planning, but as I am expecting, this trend may not continue as it hits this 30 minutes high. It may continue, and it may be a different kind of price action, but what I have seen, if the trend is going to continue, this should not hit this high. And here what I did is I reversed my entire position with double the quantity. SL placed it at 305 and added 2 more lots, and I have placed SL below the day slow, that is 270. Let's see what happens, whether I am going to be right or wrong. If this trend is not going to continue, I may try to exit at this low or at this low. Let's see what happens. Based on that, I'll decide. This low also should not be broken, 282 or 276. Let's see what the market is planning. 12:06 PM. After breaking this 30 minutes high, I just reversed the trade, and after that Nifty made another low, higher low, and if this breaks this high, then the trend is going to reverse in intraday. I'm expecting for this high to break. 12:48 PM. Here Nifty is making a double bottom pattern. Just it's trying to go up if this level breaks, and I have already entered after this breaking this high around 11:43 PM, and I am almost waiting in this trade for almost 1 hour, and it's working out, I think. Okay, and it broke out and it's working out. Let's see till where it goes, and market going down is not going to work out. It's going to go higher. If this breakout is true, can trigger all these people's SLs or entries, and it can close lower and it can fall down. There is a possibility, but I'm expecting it is going to go up. 12:56 PM. Nifty broke out of this range, and it may go higher, and it can retest this level, and it can bounce higher, and then after that it may do these kind of moves, going up and retesting again and going higher. I'm just expecting these kind of moves, not a sharp move. I'm expecting these kinds of moves, making high low and high low. 2:25 PM. Last trade it got triggered SL here, so I exited. Let's check the orders. It triggered my SL around 144. I got exited at 270, low, lowest point. Okay, that's fine. After that I have seen this pattern, this inside candle. So above this high is 280 and one point above this high 281. I placed order and this order got executed around 223 to 24 and it's just 2 minutes and it bounced almost 15-16 points. And for this trade I will move the SL to entry price as soon as possible or below this candle's low. I do not know what will happen with this trade. I wanted to bring it to the cost. If this next candle is green candle, I'll move this SL to the low of this candle or my entry price or to my entry price. 2:30 p.m. I'm thinking that this is a short covering rally after this much of selling. I don't know till where it goes. I have trailed my SL to cost, that is 281. Okay, let's see. This low should not touch. This low is 290. This low should not touch. If this is going to be continued and there is a resistance here, this level should break. If this level is breaking, then we can see move till CPR zone. And I am expecting 1:4 in this trade. And I think 1:1 have already been achieved. Yes, currently at 1:1. Let's see what happens. Nifty is consolidating at this level and this is 20 EMA in 15 minutes time frame. And it may consolidate for one candle and it may break out. Let's see what happens. 2:40 p.m. This trade is almost at 1:2 and I'm going to trail SL to this point, which is 80,300. So I'm going to lock 19 points of profit. This is a short covering rally. 2:48 p.m. I have trailed my SL below this candle's low and I haven't trailed it here because this is a doji candle. After green candle I wanted to move, but it exactly triggered my SL and I'm out of the trade. I just booked 19 points profit. That's all, 19 points profit, and I'm in the trade for almost 22 minutes. It almost reached to 1:2. That means 50 points. Almost 50 points turned out to be 19 points. I have given back 30 points of profit, and I know this level is a resistance. Still, I stayed in the trade because I want to take bigger profits. 3:26 p.m. Today I have taken 3 trades. First trade after this breakdown. This is a breakdown candle, and after low breaking, I have entered SL is here. After that, I trailed my SL, and once this made a double bottom, I was in trade. And after hitting this 30 minutes high, I exited my short trade and entered a long. And market made another low, and it went higher, slightly higher, consolidated, and it broke down. I should have placed my SL here, trailed. This is a recent 30 minutes low. And I placed below this low. It exactly triggered my SL in just 1 5 minutes candle, and after that I waited, and this is another range, another reversal candle. I entered after this breakout and it worked out instantly. I trailed every candle low, every green candle low, and I trailed here. After that I trailed to this bar, then it consolidated here, and all of a sudden it triggered exactly my SL and it went higher till 1:4. At first it triggered, it reached 1:2. This is a resistance zone. I know earlier I should have exited at the resistance, but it triggered my SL and moved higher till 1:4. Same thing happened yesterday also. I entered around this red candle, 15 minutes red candle somewhere here on this low, and it went higher. I just placed SL on the next 15 minutes high. It triggered and went 1:4. I'm ending the day with 13 points loss and along with the brokerage. These are the orders. 10 orders out of 10. 6 executed orders, 4 or 5 cancelled orders. That's it for today. We'll see you on Monday. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in next trading session video. Please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell button.